Welcome to This Explainer. Today, we're going to totally demystify the often frustrating process of tracking down your Xcel Energy account details so you can get logged in quickly and easily. Whether you're a brand new customer or just looking to finally take better control of your monthly utility costs, you are definitely in the right place. Let's start with a question we've all asked ourselves when staring at a giant stack of mail. Ever found yourself just tangled up in a web of utility bills, frantically searching for that one elusive account number? Yeah, you're absolutely not alone. It is incredibly common to misplace this crucial piece of info. But worry no more, because today we're going to unravel this mystery together and get you set up for total digital control of your energy use. So here's our roadmap for today. 1. The elusive account number. 2. Locating your unique ID. 3. Accessing your digital account. 4. The mobile app advantage. 5. Troubleshooting login issues. And 6. Pro tips and next steps. All right, part 1, the elusive account number. So what are we actually looking for? Well, the crucial thing to know is that your account number is a very specific 10 or 13-digit unique identifier. It's not just some random string of numbers. Think of it as the absolute master key to your billing data, tracking your energy usage, reporting outages, and even interacting with customer support. Without this exact 10 or 13-digit code, the gates to your digital energy kingdom are staying firmly locked. Moving on to part 2, locating your unique ID. Okay, so where is this thing actually hiding? If you get physical mail, just check right at the very top of your paper statement. But what if you're a brand new customer who just requested to start or transfer your service online? In that case, search your email for a confirmation message from Xcel Energy. And hey, pro tip here, definitely check your spam or junk folders because those automated emails really love to hide in there. Oh, and if you rent, your landlord or leasing office might actually have this on file for your specific unit, so it's always worth asking. Section 3. Accessing your digital account. Got your number? Awesome. Let's get you registered. It's actually super seamless and just takes 4 simple pieces of info. Once you hit register on the Xcel Energy homepage, first, pop in that 10 or 13-digit account number. Next, type in your last name or your company name exactly as it's printed on your bill. Then you'll need the zip code of your physical service address, so no P.O. boxes allowed here. Finally, just enter your preferred email address and boom, that securely becomes your brand new login ID. Getting started with My Account and eBill really is that quick and easy. Once you're in, I highly recommend heading straight over to My Programs and enrolling in eBill. It totally organizes your digital records, meaning you'll literally never lose track of a statement or that account number ever again. Plus, it's just a really great way to cut down on paper clutter. All right, part 4, the mobile app advantage. Now, there is a pretty important distinction to make between using the website and using the mobile app. If you're set up as just an authorized user or a delegate on the account, meaning you basically just have view-only or usage-only permissions, you're going to have to use a web browser. But if you are the primary account owner, you get exclusive access to the mobile app, which comes with top-tier cybersecurity features like Touch ID and Face ID. Talk about peace of mind. Honestly, the mobile app puts a ridiculous amount of power right in the palm of your hand. Sure, you can securely pay your bill and check balances, but you can also instantly report a gas or electric outage and track the repair status. Even cooler, you can track and compare a full 24 months of your historical electric and gas usage. You can literally see how an average temperature change affected your bill compared to last year. It's fully accessible in both English and Spanish, and yes, it even features dark mode for those late-night bill checks. Section 5. Troubleshooting login issues. Okay, we've all been there. You get that dreaded incorrect username error. Before you panic, just run through this quick checklist. First off, keep in mind that for your own security, if you have 5 failed login attempts, Xcel Energy is going to lock your account for a 15-minute cooling-off period. Always double-check if your caps lock is on, because passwords are case-sensitive. If you're on a desktop computer, try clearing your browser's cache and cookies, or temporarily disable your ad blocker, which can actually interfere with the login portal. And again, if you're registering for the first time, make absolutely sure you aren't using a P.O. box for your zip code. Now, if you've run through the checklist and realize you actually just forgot your password, no worries. The reset process is super secure, but fair warning, it is time sensitive. Just click Forgot Password, enter your email, and check your inbox. And yep, check that spam folder again. You're looking for an email with the subject Password Reset. You have to click the Reset My Password link inside it within exactly 1 hour. If you wait longer than that, the link totally vanishes for your safety, and you'll have to start the whole thing over. But hey, if you've cleared your cache, killed the ad blocker, reset your password, and you are still locked out, or maybe you just don't have a phone number on file to verify your identity, don't stress. This is your lifeline right here. Dial 800-895-4999. That is the official customer service number to get a real, actual human being at Xcel Energy on the phone who can help sort out your digital access. They are absolutely there to help. And finally, part 6, pro tips and next steps. By diving into some of the tools right inside your new digital account, like Saver Switch and the My Energy portal, you can actually turn this online access into real, tangible savings on your monthly bill. Oh, and I highly suggest enabling account notifications in your profile so you're always in the loop when a bill is due or if an outage happened in your area. Staying proactive really is the secret sauce to managing your home's efficiency. Before we wrap things up today, just a quick professional disclaimer. This explainer is meant to provide a general guide. Digital interfaces and apps are always evolving and updating, so be sure to refer to the official Xcel Energy website or their customer support for the most current instructions and cybersecurity protocols, just in case things look a little different down the line. All right, you now have the knowledge to conquer your account, locate that elusive number, and navigate the mobile app like an absolute pro. So, now that you have the keys to your digital energy kingdom, what steps will you take today to reduce your monthly footprint? We would absolutely love to hear your thoughts. Please make sure to like this explainer, hit that subscribe button, and drop a comment below with any further questions or utility topics you want us to cover next. Thanks so much for learning with us today, and we'll catch you in the next one.